My name is Henry Yoshida, CEO of Rocket Dollar, a web platform that lets people take their IRAs and old 401ks, keep the tax benefits, and make private and alternative investments. I spent over 15 years working with retirement accounts at Merrill Lynch, founded a $2.6 billion registered investment advisory firm, and co-founded IRA-focused robo-advisor Honest Dollar, which was acquired by Goldman Sachs. The days of 60-40, set it and forget it, stock bond investing have given way to an explosion of investment platforms and choice. The private and alternative investment markets now represent over 70% of total available supply, yet Americans have the vast bulk of their investable monies tied up in only public market securities. There are 55 million US households who collectively have close to $10 trillion in tax-advantaged investment accounts. Over 99%, or $9.5 trillion of that money, is locked up in only stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. The remainder, or $116 billion, has been invested in alternatives within a tax-advantaged investment account. Unless you're PayPal co-founder and venture capitalist Peter Thiel, who invested tax-advantaged retirement dollars and made $2 billion on a then little-known social media network called The Facebook, or Mitt Romney, Bain Capital co-founder and former presidential candidate, it's extremely difficult and expensive to diversify IRA dollars into private and alternative investments. The demand for investing in private and alternative assets is at an all-time high. Now, millions of people, including you, can utilize an account structure that has existed for decades to invest in cool things with no taxes too. Let me show you how. At rocketdollar.com, our customers can sign up in minutes. We capture the information required to open the appropriate account type and satisfy the anti-money laundering, know your customer requirements for our bank and custody partner. We have add-on features such as expedited fulfillment for an extra fee and take payment information via secure portal right at sign-up. From there, Rocket Dollar customers can transfer or contribute funds. Our team has built a non-ACATS asset transfer system from the ground up. We've already processed hundreds of transfers away from 38 different financial services providers, totaling tens of millions of dollars and counting. In the future, we'll white label our patent-pending transfer system to help other financial services providers get more money faster. Once your funds transfer is complete, Rocket Dollar customers can transact and operate in their account using our investment tracker. From there, they move money into the alternative investment of their choice just as easily as setting up an ACH or initiating a wire transfer. Our bank account transactions integration with Envestnet Yodlee's API suite allow our customers to have a best-in-class user experience and a real-time snapshot of their account holdings. Robo-advisors provided limited option access to traditional investments and brought down the cost of managed, albeit limited, portfolios. Brokerage platforms offer choice as long as you stick with the 3,627 public company universe. With Rocket Dollar, individuals can now invest across thousands of alternative investment platforms and directly with private investment issuers who previously had little ability to sufficiently accept tax-advantaged dollars. Welcome to 21st century diversification. Sorry, Chuck Schwab, but we started Netflix-like all-you-can-invest subscription pricing since our inception last year. Our business model is simple, competitive, and transparent. Just $360 to sign up and $15 a month to maintain. Much less than you'd otherwise lose to taxes if you'd made investments into alternatives without Rocket Dollar. According to Investment Company Institute data, there are over 300 million IRA accounts in America, and almost 27% of them, or 80 million accounts, have over $50,000 in assets. We define this as mass affluent. We believe 25% of these, or 20 million accounts, will invest in private and alternative assets within the next 2 to 3 years. At 15% of this market share number, Rocket Dollar will have 3 million customer accounts. By combining private and alternative investments with naturally sticky tax-advantaged accounts, we get very low churn and high lifetime value. Or in other words, we can have our cake and eat it too. Our vision is to be the 21st century version of Fidelity Investments. We launched late last year and have several hundred customers from 48 states who've collectively transferred in over $45 million. Our customers are average 39 years old, 70% male, 30% female, and have an average of over 100 grand in their Rocket Dollar account. We define these customers as Henrys, high earners, not rich yet. Rocket Dollar is based in Austin, Texas, and we have a dream team who previously worked at Google, Merrill Lynch, Accenture, scaled startups, and more. We're backed by Capital Factory, Texas's most active venture investor, Franklin Templeton Investments, a $760 billion global asset management firm, and Village Global, a $100 million venture fund with business luminary LPs such as Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, Mike Bloomberg, and more. We're actively talking to firms and plan to formally begin a fundraising process later this year. Our current goal is to get to $200 million in assets under management, establish more partnerships, and come out of stealth mode with a product feature that will solidify Rocket Dollar as the platinum standard in fintech. If you'd like to talk to us about our upcoming fundraise, get added to our investor update list, open an account, or learn about our stealth mode feature, please find me or one of my teammates for a chat at the reception. Thank you.